Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you an easy trick on how to catch hundreds of fungus gnats easily. So this bug has been bugging me these few weeks. I'm not sure where they're coming from, but this is the first time a lot of them coming in my garden. So I decided to put a trap to catch them. So the magic ingredient that you will need for this trap is a plastic bag. Any type of plastic bag will work, big or small. And the next one is cooking spray. So if you don't have cooking spray, you can also use the oil from the bottle, put it in a bowl or something, and you can put it in on the plastic. So for this cooking spray, we're gonna spray it all over the plastic, just like how I did here, back and the front and the side. And you can also spray all the way inside the plastic bag as well. So after you spray all the plastic that you need, you can put it in your garden and tie it on a stick or something, just like how I did here. And after a few hours, you will see the fungus gnat that will stick on the plastic easily. So this is how it looked like. This one I put a few days ago, and all the fungus gnat stuck to the plastic easily, just like that. So I hope the sharing I share with you today will be beneficial for your gardening, and hopefully this easy trick will help you to catch all the annoying fungus gnat in your garden or in your greenhouse. If you like the content of our channel, consider subscribing to our channel, and I see you next time.